Hey, it's Kira, the conflict coach, with a 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite. Today, I'm talking about how to use principles from Aikido and apply them in everyday conflict settings. See, Aikido is a martial art that's based on the principle where if someone comes and attacks you, instead of defending yourself and pushing back, you move aside and you use their energy to work against them. You're basically deflecting and reflecting the energy back. So you're not using your own power, you're simply reflecting their own power against them. Now, how could that work in your everyday conflict? Well, think about it. If someone comes to you and is being verbally abusive or undermining you, what you can do is let them have their say, and then afterwards, simply reflect back and dig a little further. What were they thinking? What are their motives? Usually, they were expecting you to defend yourself, to attack back. And by not doing so, they'll start to reflect, really. What were their motives? And what are they thinking? You'll see that often the conversation can go in a different direction than they and you were expecting. I welcome your thoughts and comments. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you at the next 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite.